Welcome to the Sureway English PTE Question of the Day. On this channel, you'll find a new PTE video every day. Practice makes a person perfect. After watching the video, go to our website, surewayenglish.com, and sign up for your free PTE course and other PTE resources. Let's start.
When it comes to visual art, common sense suggests that propaganda is at odds with greatness. Take the famous recruitment poster issued by the British government at the start of the First World War, featuring Lord Kitchener's stern, mustachioed face staring out above the slogan "Your country needs you." It is a memorable and effective piece of graphic design, but hardly quality art. Can art commissioned by the state ever be any good? Art is something subversive, Pablo Picasso once said. If art is ever given the keys to the city, it will be because it's been so watered down, rendered so impotent, that it's not worth fighting for.
Well done. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. Now make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. All the best.